So guys, welcome again to Jamaican Versions with Big Papa. So today I'm gonna be doing two songs, Casanova by Gerald Levert and Casanova by Frankie Paul. So before we go into it, guys, remember, like, share, subscribe. Remember, hit that notification bell. So as soon as I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. So guys, remember, you got to hit that notification bell. So here we go. Gerald Levert's Casanova.
Me and Romeo ain't ever been friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I say it to you time and time again. Oh, Casanova,
Hey, hey.
Casanova. Are you man deserves good woman? And I want you to be my wife. Tell me so much better spend, baby. A woman just like you in my life. So let me love you. Feel up inside, I want to hold you, baby. So let me squeeze you. Don't you know that I'll get down on my knees for you, baby?
Yeah. You know, when they love a woman, they do anything on their knees, talking, begging, pleading. As the man said, he ain't much of a Casanova. He's no Romeo. Well, yeah, I'm no Romeo, but when you meet that woman, you got to let her know you love her. You do anything. Yeah, you will play like you're a Casanova. Okay, so I ain't much Casanova.
I ain't much on Casanova.
Yeah, yeah.
Me and Romeo ain't never been friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I say it to you time and time again. Oh, Casanova,
Yeah.
Casanova. Oh, Casanova. Casanova. Every time I wanna see you, I can't find the words to tell you so. I love you, babe. And I just got to let you know how much I need you.
Yeah.
Show you what you mean to me each day, baby. So let me hold you. Keep you safe and warm, I'll be your sweetheart, baby. Baby, baby, baby. And when I told you, girl, I'm an average guy, you seem to know just how I really feel. 'Cause I can't let you go. I even want you to stay right here with me. Baby, I know love, and here you came along.
Casanova. Yeah, yeah.
Casanova, I can't really get away. Oh, Casanova, tell me what to do.
Well, I gotta cut it there, cause you know it goes. As you can see, the average guy is no Casanova. So, no Casanova, no Romeo, but when you meet that girl, you gotta get that girl. You do anything to get that girl. So that was Gerald Levert version of Casanova. So now I'm gonna play the version of Casanova with Frankie Paul. Here we go. So guys, here we go with Frankie Paul version of Casanova.
Casanova. Me and Romeo had never been friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I say it to you time and time again. I ain't much too serious.
Say.
And I don't wanna let you down. I love you, baby. Don't you know I wanna be your man? So let me love you. Hear you whispering into my ears now, baby.
Love you, baby.
Let me love you. Feel your warm body close to me now, baby. Oh, yeah. I ain't much on Casanova. Me and Romeo and Karen and friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I sing it to you time and time again.
Yeah, the man say, me and Romeo, we had never been friends. I ain't much on Casanova. Yeah, that's Frankie Paul singing.
Casanova,
Shake.
Casanova, I can't let it get away. Oh, baby,
Casanova. Shake.
oh, yeah. Casanova, can't let it get away. I ain't much
Too serious.
and I don't wanna let you down.
Frankie Paul.
I love you, baby. Don't you know I wanna be your man? Let me love you. Hear you whispering inside my ears now, baby.
Baby, I love you.
Let me love you. Feel your warm body close to me now, baby.
Yeah, you know, you have to tell a woman, say, I love her. You know, hug her up tight, you know, the bed. Hold her tight, squeeze her and say, yo, baby, I love you. Sure, I say I love her. All right? Sometimes we have to try, even though we're not much on the Casanova thing. Some man are just rude boy, but even rude boy, sometimes you have to be a Casanova. Try the little Romeo thing. Yo, the ladies love that. Say it.
Yeah, baby. I ain't much on Casanova. Me and Romeo ain't never been friends. If you see how much I really love you, and I say it to you time and time again.
Casanova. Say Casanova. Yeah. You know, everybody, hey, you have to put in all the comment of the Romeo thing and the Casanova thing and, you know, make your man feel nice, make a partner feel nice. So we're going to cut it there. So that was Frankie Paul with this version of Casanova. And guys, as I say, comment, let me know which version you like. So put that in the comment section. So remember to like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell. So this is Big Papa, Jamaican Versions, signing out. Thank you.